I can't even see.
Huh? Just pointed out that direction. Crash! About to jump his car, try to. Trying to jump the car.
Oh guys, we're headed back in here to the basher pit again. It's supposed to close at 6. It is now 6:08, but we're gonna hope and try our luck and see if we can sneak back here real quick and get off that long jump. We missed the event yesterday. Apparently, I didn't even know the long jump event happened yesterday, but apparently it did. And nobody's back here as of yet, so I'm gonna try to run back here real quick, y'all. And we're gonna try to sneak off that long jump right there real quick. All right, I'll be right back. All right, let's go hit this thing. All right, here we go, y'all. Let me get on out here a little ways. We're gonna leave her sit right there, and we're gonna send this sumbitch, and we're gonna see what happens off of it. So, here we go. All right, well, make sure we're recording. We are. Here we go. Oh, I missed it. I missed it, y'all. We're gonna get behind it. We're coming even hotter and get behind it. I know I'm hitting it. Here we go. Oh, that was a big old jump, y'all. Hold on. She's alive still too. Hold on, we're hitting it again. She's back on and ripping. She's rowdy little son of a bitch, ain't she? 17 tooth pinion. Stock motor and ESC, I think. This thing's rowdy though. Ah, we stuffed the landing though. Good jump though, good jump. She's still holding intact. Good leap of faith there, buddy. I hit the brakes and it didn't drop it. Ah, dang. Them brakes didn't kick in until it was already falling. That would have been an amazing save. Let's try this again, y'all. Let's try and really hit this thing. feel like I'm coming at it crooked for some reason, so I'm not really hitting it wide open like it should be. Come off this hill. Here we go. It's dead. Oh, and it's dead. Oh. It landed it. Yes, front flip with a dead truck. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. You guys got to come out to the Freedom Factory, check this out, man. I mean, I know I'm out here by myself right now, but it's getting late. They're getting ready to do awards. What you shut off for, buddy? Oh, that's not good. Did you overheat in midair, bud? Or just the impact, or what? I mean, I have sent you 55 foot today. I've done all kinds of stuff to you, and you're still in one piece, so. And you just went off that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we knocked off a motor lead, y'all. We melted a motor lead off, y'all. Holy crap, is it melted off, or did it just come off? Is that why I lost power in midair right there? That'd be why we lost power in midair, y'all. We blew a lead out. I'm gonna take it easy back on the way back, let it cool down a little bit. I was saying though, guys, it's amazing out here. It's amazing. It was a lot of fun. Got to meet a lot of big YouTubers. Yeah, it was a good time, y'all. All right, let's hit this thing again. Oh, we broke it. Uh-oh. Oh, we're about to find a dog bone too. Daggone it. We shot a dog bone, but that was a leap right there, boys. You see that? Oof. All right, let's see what we lost here. Hopefully I didn't lose it. Daggone it. Why'd you break off, man? A link? You gotta be shitting me. A bolt for a link is what shut me down? It is, and then my dog bone's gone, of course. All right, let me walk this back and find it. If not, I got another one in the truck, but daggone, that sucks. Hold on. That's him, Mark himself out here. And yeah, that's what happened, guys. We kicked the dog bone out, so he checked the dog bone out. And yeah, that's gonna put us out of commission for today. So yeah, I think they're recording. We'll talk later. We're down, but not out. You see the type of things here. It's getting late. I don't know if I have any more content. M2C Auto, everybody's packing up. They're getting ready to do the awards. So we'll stick around for the raffle, and that'll be it, y'all.